Hi everybody, welcome back. We're really making a lot of progress at this point. Well, today we're gonna work on finishing the body and yeah, getting it on the chassis. All right, so let's begin, shall we? Okay, we're gonna do the headlights. Let's get the headlights for that. And there are a couple chrome pieces. There are lenses that are going to go into these chrome pieces. I'm going to paint them directional yellow to try to make sure I'm doing it on the outside of the lens rather than inside the lens. Alright, so we got the directionals done, and I'm going to start gluing on the other stuff. Not too worried about that paint being dried because we can pop those in pretty much at any time during. We got a little rough edges here from cutting that off, so I'm going to grab my sandpaper here and just sand those smooth. Okay, I got those sanded. Pop them in. Get some glue in there. Pop that guy in. Okay. Alright, got both headlights in. Now let's set this guy in here. Alright, we're going to put some glue around here where it's going to go. Alright, we got that on, and it's starting to look like a car. And before we do any more body, I'm going to sand and paint this white. It's going to go under the hood. I'm going to sand and paint this black because this is obviously air cleaner. And these parts are going to come up pretty soon, so I'm just going to paint these and give them a chance to dry. I'm going to use semi-gloss black, the air cleaner. Okay, I've got the air cleaner done. All the parts that are going to be visible, and I'm just going to stick that guy in my trusty holder. And this I'm just going to paint, I'm going to hand paint it white. A little piece here I got to sand down a little bit. Okay, we got a paint shaken up. I'm going to paint this white. Okay, we got this painted. And put that in the rack to dry.